Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I am here to unbox the July 2024 Beauty Heroes box. It's actually pretty large. And I'm excited because I did not receive a spoiler this time. I received it, but I didn't see it. I had my husband move it out of my inbox. The last several have been spoiled for me by emails or Instagram or something like that, but it's actually Sunday, July 7th when I'm filming this, and I don't know what's in here, which is so exciting. I was wondering, did anyone else notice their Beauty Heroes boxes arriving later than they used to? Mine came on Friday, July 5th, which, like, if I had my choice, I would prefer my box to come like July 1st or something, but this has been kind of happening more and more lately. I was thinking about emailing customer service about it. Just so they're aware that boxes are being received later, at least in my case. But anyways, I'm really excited to unbox this with you. I was thinking about different brands it could be. I was thinking like Mimi Organics, 3 Ships, maybe Dore. I think that's one of their new brands. I was just kind of thinking, when I saw this, it made me think hair products, but I don't know if that's true. I think it's been a while since we got a hair product, but I'm not positive. Anyways, I'm gonna ask you now to please click the like button if you enjoy my videos, or and also the subscribe button, so you'll be alerted when the next videos come out. Let's unbox this together. I'm excited. You know I always love like this moment where you find out what brands it is. All right, let's open it. Ta-da! Sahajan. Okay. A brand we've seen before and a brand I didn't really love in the past. So initial reaction was kind of like, okay. I'm still trying to I finished their creme riche, and I still have their, I do like the face wash that we got. I think it's like I don't know if they call it a cleansing milk or a cleansing oil, but I have to say I've been using it a little bit more lately and I do enjoy it. I don't love that serum. I don't remember what it's called, but I don't love the serum that we received in the box. But let's see what we got today. It looks like we got 3 products, which is exciting. And I see something poking out, so let's open that first. We have a Sahajan Ayurvedic Blend Ultimate Sleep Mask. In general, I don't love sleep masks. They're usually, I feel like kind of liquidy and stuff. So it'll be interesting to check this out. I do want to get it. The box is pretty. I remember their boxes being, I thought, more like subtle. Like maybe they changed their branding, but I remember, or maybe I'm just thinking of what their jars look like. Okay, it looks like the jars look the same as they used to. So we have a Sahajan Ultimate Sleep Mask. So yeah, you can like layer it to your face and neck and rinse it off in the morning. So I always just like never understood why a sleep mask is any different than a moisturizer. So let's talk about this when we get to that. And then we've got a big one, a toner. Okay, Sahajan Balance Ayurvedic Blend Toner. Cool. I enjoy getting different toners. So that's fun. I think this is what the boxes used to look like, more like than this, but I could be wrong. I think it's been a little bit of time, but since we got a box from them. So, right, we have like a little toner in here, balanced toner. It says lotion, so that'll be interesting. And then lastly, we have a body oil. This is a nice variety. Ooh, I'm excited. Ayurvedic Blend Ritual body oil. It says coconut oil, almond oil, sesame oil. I'm excited to smell it. So this is a really nice variety. I'm pretty excited about this box, actually. Body oil. All right. We got a mask, a toner, and a body oil. Very unique. All right, let's check this out. All right, this month's discovery is a Midsummer Night's Dream, featuring 3 products for an evening ritual. We've got the Balanced Toner, cooling, calming, gently exfoliating toning lotion that douses skin and hydration. Ultimate Sleep Mask is a nightly remedy that delivers soothing hydration to inflamed, sun-exposed skin. And the Ritual Body Oil is an award-winning blend that is energetically cooling, moisturizing, and grounding without weighing skin down. All right, looks like what they're focusing on here is the toner, Balanced Toner. 120 milliliters, $34. It says, take a balanced approach to quell summer stress skin. Balanced Toner is a liquid lotion infused with alpha hydroxy acids from sugarcane extract, lemon, and bilberry extracts that gently exfoliate and support cell turnover on sun-exposed skin. Rosewater, glycerin, and sodium hyaluronate work synergistically to deliver intense hydration. Moringa oil, a key Ayurvedic ingredient, is a superfood with over 90 nutrients, vitamins A through F, and 40 plus antioxidant properties. Wow. Rose water, known for its calming and soothing benefits, enhances hydration. For a quick hit of hydration, apply with your hands and pat into the skin. For added exfoliation, use a cotton pad. Keep this pre-treatment liquid lotion in the fridge for an extra cooling sensation on hot days. Superpower ingredients are bilberry, lemon, moringa, sugarcane extract, rose water, and sodium hyaluronate. All right, let's check it out. Oh, it's got a little dropper thing here. I'm like, is it sealed? Maybe. Is this not supposed to be here? I thought it was. Okay. I don't know. This looks to me, I can't tell if I'm supposed to do something to this. You know, a lot of times toners have like a, kind of like a plug like this. Oh my gosh, this is going to be interesting. I don't know if I'm supposed to pull it up. Aha. Okay, there's like a, that was funny. Okay, so now we know what's going on here. Did anyone else have that experience when they got this? That was funny. I'm like, how do I open this? All right, so this is like, okay, it comes out like, that's what I was trying to say. It has like a little hole in the middle. Okay, so when I read rose water, I wondered if it was like, has like kind of a rose scent, but it's also like, it's like a rose scent, but like something more, I feel. I mean, my first sense, I almost got like spicy, and rose scent I just got on my lips. Anyways, so I don't know, seems interesting. Just absorbed right in. Like, you know, toners, they're like, it's fun if they like smell good, you know, and feel good, of course. Okay, so that's that. Ultimate Sleep Mask, 50 milliliters, $52, reminiscent of classic cold cream. Okay, that makes me excited because that makes me feel like it's gonna be thick. But enriched with botanical actives and a grounding scent, Ultimate Sleep Mask is this summer's secret to beauty sleep. Infused with Cassia angustifolia, known as Indian senna seed, this beautiful hyaluronic acid, another product with hyaluronic acid, combines with shea butter to strengthen and reinforce the skin barrier. Go-to Cola protects collagen production, combating fine lines and wrinkles while you sleep. Enhanced with a delicate touch of jasmine oil. I wonder if it's going to smell like jasmine. Known in Ayurveda as Queen of the Night, this mask interrupts inflammation and infuses moisture for plumper looking skin. Jasmine's soothing scent eases you into restful sleep, unlocking the skin's restorative powers. Deeply moisturizing and restorative, Ultimate Sleep Mask is perfect for nightly use. So hopefully, ooh, my skin is tight where the toner was. Interesting. I don't really use toners often. I actually have the toner from Inlight, I think, that I forget to use. Because do you guys use an essence and a toner? Maybe toner's a step I'm missing. Maybe I should do like cleanse, toner, essence, serum, moisturizer. Let me know. Okay, so I'm excited because I thought that this was going to be really liquidy like some of the other sleep masks, but it says that it's thick. I'm gonna put some on my hand right there because I don't want to waste it. This is like not coming off like super easily, meaning it's coming off in pieces and it's a little bit of a messy situation, like little pieces keep ripping off. I also wonder if this happened to other people or just me, because I just like when it all comes off in one nice peel off. This is like almost not, so this is a little annoying, but that's it. I just want to keep sticking my fingers in this, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna leave it like that right now. All right, let's rub in what I already got from all those little wrapper things. Ooh, feels nice. Gentle scent of I don't know what. Very subtle, but nice, moisturizing. It's definitely not runny, so I'm happy because that True Botanical sleep mask traumatized me with sleep masks, and then even the Coco Kind sleep mask is super runny. So to have like a sleep mask that's definitely like thicker and stuff is exciting to me. So it definitely has like a subtle, nice scent. Oh, it says jasmine. It's funny because I don't usually like jasmine, but it does say a delicate touch of jasmine oil. This is nice. Jasmine turns me off a lot. This is like super subtle, but pretty. I like it. I'm excited. Other than the wrapper situation, which I don't want to, like I said, I want to keep digging to get it off. I'll deal with that another time. But the sleep mask, I'm excited. I'm more excited now that I'm more excited now that I opened it and read about it than I was when I first heard it was a sleep mask. And finally, another one I'm excited to smell is the Ritual Body Oil. It is 100 milliliters for $46. Award-winning formula provides tri-doshic benefits suitable for all Ayurvedic constitutions. I don't know what that means. Okay, you have like different doshas, is that right? I don't know if I'm just making that up. Almond and coconut oils deliver cooling energy, ideal for soothing pitta constitutions. I've heard of these things, but I don't know them. For Vata types, this oil combats dryness, protecting and moisturizing the skin. Kapha constitutions, which tend to be more oily, benefit from its ability to lock in moisture, balance sebum, and support the skin barrier. The grounding meditative scent of lavender, patchouli, rose, and sandalwood inspires instant calm. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of abhyanga, or self-massage, for regular self-care. During summer, use Ritual Body Oil in the evening after a bath or shower while skin is still damp to lock in hydration. Excited to smell this. Okay, see, now I know what to do. You gotta do the little thingy, and maybe this time I won't shoot it across the floor. Ah, there we go, see? A pro now. I'm gonna put this in my other hand. Okay, so it's not coming shooting out, which is great. Smells good. I do want to find the body oil that I love. I do absolutely love the True Live Botanical Zephyr body oil. I think it's like strawberry seed oil or something. It smells amazing, and it has blue tansy and stuff in it, I believe. That is a beautiful seasonal body oil that I absolutely love. It's also like beautiful consistency. That's super special, but it's expensive because it's so special, and I think special ingredients. I would love to find like a kind of everyday body oil. This smells really nice. I like it. It reminds me in a little bit of the, oh, what is the company that I'm thinking of? Blue Alchemy, their body oil. I think it's theirs. That, it's like the Hinoki scent and stuff. Active Relief body oil, I think it is. We got that as an item fairly, I don't know, in the last year or so. This smells really nice, and you can see it absorb right in. So I am excited to use this. Okay, honestly, I'm actually really excited about this box. When I first saw Sahajan, I was like, I didn't love the products from the last Sahajan box, but I do actually really love the face wash, like I said. It grew on me over time, and it's, as I'm using it again during my project pan, it reminds me that it's really nice. But in general, I didn't think of Sahajan as like, oh, a brand I needed or wanted to try again. But I think this is like a really great variety. Toners we don't get often, so that's fun. Sleep mask seems thick and like nice and moisturizing and stuff. And a body oil. I mean, this is like a really great variety. So I am so excited to chat with you guys in the comments below. Like I said earlier, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button to be alerted when the next video comes out. It means a lot to me when you guys like the videos, leave comments, subscribe. You know, I'm not doing a lot to try to like grow my channel just because of the season of life I'm in with 4 little kids and working full time, but I'm just doing what I can to when I have the time. It is nice to see when new people subscribe, and I appreciate any comment that you guys leave. And I hope everyone had a happy 4th, and I hope to do my project pan update very soon. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.